Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert your videos into shorts on YouTube. Now the first thing you're going to do is open up your YouTube app, then you click on the plus icon in the center here. Now you have videos, now you pick the video you want to upload. Now you don't forget your time is between 15 to 60 seconds. So let's say I want to upload this particular video. Then at the bottom here you have edit into a short, tap on it. Tap on next. Give it a few seconds while it processes. While it's processing, it's going to convert your video into a short. Don't forget, shorts last up to 60 seconds, minimum of 15 seconds to 60 seconds. So give it a few seconds, it's processing. And once it's done with processing, we're going to move on to the next step. So it's done processing. The next step is add the sound. Click on add sound. Now I want to choose a sound we want. You can search for a sound. So I want food and snacks with Nina. So I put it in. You can type in the sound you want. I want the original sound. And so I go for this. No, let's choose this. Yes, I want to choose this one. Give it a few seconds and then click on this blue arrow here. Tap on next. Add your details, everything you want. Select your audience. Yes, it's made for kids. Public, you can choose a location, allow audio and everything. And once you through with all this, click on upload short. Now give it a few seconds. Uploading to your videos, click on see video. So you can see it's uploading. So once it's through uploading, it's going to process, and after processing, you can finally watch your video.